Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Okay, in today's video I just want to do something which I've been waiting to do this video for long. I haven't been like, I didn't get a chance much, but something I wanted to show you, because when people come to make money online, they jump around, with something called shiny object syndrome. They take a course and they don't even try it, or might be they just try it for 1 day, 2 days, and then they don't make anything, and they just go to another course, buy another course, and they try that one, they try for a week or 10 days, and then nothing happens, and they just go to another course with buy another one. This is like something, if you're online, like if you're into online and if you're trying to make money online, this is like a normal. Okay, this is a normal. I know I'm guilty of it. I've been through like this. I've spent money on many things. I've been cheated many times by so-called gurus. Like, that's my mistake. That's because that, as I said, it's shiny object syndrome. When somebody comes and says, I can help you make $10,000 per month, do this, do that, I don't want to tell my sad stories. I have lost a lot of money by so-called guru, so-called two club members, spending $3,000 on somebody and sending $10,000 somebody without, doing a proper, like, as I said, guys, that's what it is. You might, when you're on your journey of making money online, you will end up some money losing. That's the reality. That's what I thought. This is something, a course which, it is a high ticket course, but I'm not talking about high ticket here now. I want to talk about something which, like, just by going through this course, you will learn a lot. End of the day, they are going to promote, they're going to make you buy invest in their high ticket program. That's completely optional. That's a secondary thing which is up to you whether you want to go for it or not. It's really totally worth it, but I'm not here to push that one. The idea behind it is just for that a small fee for that course, you're going to learn that value, which is going to be really, really incredible, guys. Let me show you. Just minimize the screen. Give me a second. Sorry, guys. It's my kids shouting here. Okay. I had to put them away in a room so that I can do the video here. Sorry for that. It's a lot of noise my kids were making. So due to COVID, they are just around me all the time. It's very hard, no school, doing online classes, and they are just around me here and making lots of noises. Anyway, I just asked them to be inside a room. Anyway, so what I was talking is about a course which is like a high ticket course, but even without even paying high ticket, the value which you'll get out of it is also valuable. Okay, that's the reason, because I know people, I don't really promote a lot of high ticket. Reason is, I know my, people who are newbies, who are beginners, they want to spend little money in order to learn something. But the problem which I'm seeing is same like how I started. They're just jumping around places in order to find that golden, golden duck, where they can make money. That's just not going to happen. I realized a little late, and that's something I don't want you guys to suffer as well. Just wanted to inform you something which is really, really valuable, which you will learn. Even a single video which you learn from that course is going to be really top notch. It's going to be totally valuable. Anyway, just give you an idea. Let's minimize this screen here. Okay, here we go. So this is what I'm talking about. The most important thing is, I'm sure you should have heard about it. If you're not heard about it, there are lots of high ticket programs are there. This is one of the one which is like really, actually there's a link below. When you join, I will put the least payable link. There are lots of ways to come inside a legendary marketer. They're like $7 one, which is like, I'll give you the least option, which is like a $1 option, which is in order to come inside. This reason why I'm telling is, you can come and learn this throughout this 15 days, or you can, how many days you want to take, you can take your time to learn this one. Each and every day, it's like doesn't mean to be 15 days. Like basically they're giving you through a 15 days journey. But the idea is you're going to learn each and every day a valuable lesson. That's how powerful this is. Actually, of course, end of the day, you're going to go through a funnel. They're going to promote your high ticket offers. All those things are like secondary option. But just for that $1 or 1 point something, what you're going to learn this 15 days is really, really will change your mind about making money online. That's how powerful this is. You will let me show you just few of the things what you'll go through. Just see this, the number one secret to building a high ticket profit. That's like, people might think, no, I can start selling $7 stuffs, I can $15, $20. That's true, but at the end of the day, the real money is in the high ticket, guys. That's where you will see a change in your life, change in your way you earn money. Of course, earning $7 and earning few commissions from Amazon, it's all good, but the real money is in the high ticket. It's like, doesn't mean that you're going to train you only on high ticket, but an overall strategy how to approach really selling anything online or doing affiliate marketing online. This is where it is. Okay, so this is there. You can see this day 2. You can see, just to give you an idea what idea is. Every day you're going to have some assignments what to do. You know, you can see this, some days going to give you some assignments what to do and some testimonials, all this stuff. They're going to have some person you can talk to as well. That's a plan advisor. That's also there. This is all for $1. Imagine, you know, as I said, you know, this is like, you will learn the basic of making money online in the right way. As I said, you know, I have been through it, guys. I have been through like many courses, and I've lost money on the way. But you know, that is what our journey is. That's what the journey is. Each and every time you lose, it's something you learn that this is something I shouldn't have done, and next time you don't do. Okay, that's what you have to learn. Anyway, so back to this one. See this, the day 2. You can see there's the top 4 high ticket business models. What it is, they're going to show you that one. And day 3. It's a proper video. Let's build the business plan in 30 minutes. Day 4, how to master the 1K. Okay, this is like, goes like, you know, 15 days, all of them like this. The big day, developing a business plan. The day 6. My favorite one is, yeah, you have a questions, no problem, you can have the answer. Like each and every day, as I said, you're going to have like lots of assignments to do, as well as some testimonials. Whoever has taken this a legendary marketer course, how they have been benefited as well. Okay, so this is where the real crux is actually. What I liked it, like out of that $1 what are you going to pay, or 1 point something, depends upon the downsell. This is where the most valuable thing you will learn. Okay, I'm not going to reveal that. Okay, see this, what are the high income skills you need to have. Okay, out of this, day 9, day 10, day 11, this is 3 days you're going to learn that. I mean, it's 3 days in the sense like you can sit and watch even single day. What I'm trying to say is, this is really one of the most important skills you will be going through it, guys. This is like literally the skill which will change the way you make money online. Okay, this is like going to be the top one. I'm going to leave that for that day 8, day 9, day 10. This is like, out of these 3, the 2 of the most important thing I would say. One is like, I do outsource as well, but that also they talk about. Actually, you can see this day 8, day 9, day 10, day 11. If you see, they talk about that as well. You can see this one of the high income skills, and this is day 11, day 12. Yeah, this is what to outsource. One of the thing is what to outsource is like really people are always hesitant to outsource. You know why? Because they think, you know, I can do everything myself. I do everything myself. That's the mentality which they will help you to know why it should not be the case. Okay. Of course, initially when you do, you have to change it. But I'm trying to say is, this is the cool thing. You know what is OPM? Other people's money. That's like really cool stuff. You will learn, guys. You will learn a lot of valuable stuff for that $1 which you're going to spend now. Day 14. How to avoid entrepreneur syndrome, exactly. Then day 15, this is where it is finishing. Anyway, so I've showed you everything, just almost everything for $1. Basically, that 3 income skills, you already see that one, like, you know, seeing that one of them is sales and like selling skill, and other one is, I leave it to him, I leave it to David to explain that. What I'm trying to say is, guys, this is what my link is. You will go through it. When you go through it, you will be asked to pay like $1 or so. But I'm telling you, when you go through this days, you will be represented with offers to buy high ticket. That's, as I said, it's totally optional. I will do a separate video on that, like, you know, what's inside it and stuff. But when you're a newbie and a beginner, and if you're like cash struck, by spending that $1, you will learn from somebody who is really one of the top guys in affiliate marketing, who knows, like, you know, is one of the, you know, like in the inner circle members of Russell Brunson as well. You know, I promote ClickFunnels a lot. So I know like there are certain products which is like it might be expensive, guys, but it's literally you get what you pay for. That's what the truth is. There are lots of funnel builders. There's lots of courses are there out there, but end of the day, it's like you get what you pay for, right? You're paying for $10, you're going to get $10. This, you might be thinking, why like $1, $2? Don't think like that. This is called a value ladder. Okay, this is what also you learn, what is called value ladder. People come in for the low paid money. Okay, I should not say all these things because, but this is what it is. This is like true, guys. I just don't want to hide myself and like not to tell the truth. Okay, listen, I just wanted to make sure that you guys know the truth as well, why it is like $1, $7. This is what, sorry guys, this is what they call as value ladder, which is something, a skill you will learn in your online journey. You come in at $1 or might be $7, we call it as low mid ticket. They give you so much value, and then they take you to the next level, which is like might be like $30 or $100, like a $200 product. And then when you are a member there, of course you need to get value, right? If you don't get value out of that course, you're going to get out of their email list and you're going to just unsubscribe. That's what is going to happen. What I'm talking about is courses which is really valuable stuff. So you come in the small entry point, and they will try to upsell you with the bigger one, and then the next one will be like might be a $500 or $1,000 or $2,000 course. This is what it is called value ladder is. This is similar way you're going to be going through this this funnel as well, which is for legendary marketer. As I said, it's going to be totally optional, but even if you're going to opt in and going to get it, you will not regret it. I know, because I know the mentors whom I followed, they have gone through it and they are the one who recommended me this ones, and it is totally valuable and I'm passing on to you. Okay, I know like there are lots of courses out there, but this is something which is really valuable stuff which you will learn. And of course, once you become, as I said, I'm here doing affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, end of the day, I'm here to make money. You are here to make money. Okay, no need to jump around the bush like to say that just to end of the day, that's what it is. You want to make money, I want to make money, but make money in a way which is really going to help everybody, right? So I'm promoting a course. I want to make sure that is really valuable for somebody, right? So you also, when you experience this is really valuable, and if you think this is really good to promote to somebody, start promoting, guys. This is what it is. This is what is affiliate marketing. As I said, if you go into Warrior Plus and JV Zoo, if you see nowadays I've reduced a lot. Don't promote a lot of them because it's so much crap out there. I just choose few of them and I'm promoting from Warrior Plus, not much, because I can feel that it's really getting too worst, the courses out there, because the same thing they just keep repeating, that's why I've reduced a lot. I just wanted to make sure when I promote something, it is something or at least some value you get out of it. That's the goal behind it. That's it, guys. If you like it, you can if any have doubts, drop a comment below. If you are watching first time, make sure you like it and subscribe so you can get notified next time when I do the next video. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Make sure you click the link below and you will be going through for that $1. You are going to learn a lot of valuable stuff from David. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.